Don't be mocking him. It's not funny.
Welcome to Cringe Chronicles. Welcome to Cringe Chronicles. Welcome to Cringe Chronicles.
Welcome to Cringe Chronicles.
Welcome to Cringe Chronicles. Welcome to Cringe Chronicles.
What's up, everybody? Welcome to my channel. It's your boy Prod.Og, and I'm back after like 1,000,001 years of not posting anything other than the Prod family, and barely even that. Right. But today, we're just gonna bring something new to the table. Today we're bringing something new to the table. A person. Her name is. You don't need to know. Right. And yeah, just know that she's a part of this video. No, I'm just playing. Introduce yourself. What's your name, girl?
Hey guys, my name is Andrew. You might know me as Tylonda on the Prod family, but I'm back.
She's back, and today what we're doing? What are we doing today?
Today we are going to be building this mini brands mini mart. Yeah. Cool,
yes,
right?
mini brands mini mart with a bunch of small brands that's as tall as her. I'm just kidding.
Okay.
So hopefully we can get this video. Hopefully we can build this in like 10 minutes.
Boy, get off that quack. You know it's going to take way longer than that.
What time is it right now? Grab your phone. My phone is right there.
12:20.
All right, it's 12:20. Let's see if we can get this built by 12:30.
Foolish. Just foolish. Just foolish.
I don't know about that, sweetie.
Let's not waste no time. Let's start off with unraveling the box. I'm gonna try to not open this like a kid that's downstairs on Christmas in the morning. Oh my God, y'all. And I don't even feel like reading the direction. These are the stickers that you use to, I guess, label all of this. This is gonna take longer than 10 minutes.
Very much.
It's definitely gonna take longer than 10 minutes.
So tomorrow?
Yeah, well, let's just get into it. So these are separate products. I got a few toy mini brand surprise balls that you can get from Target. And I also have some wacky packages. So these are like spin-offs of actual brands, but they're like jokes. Like, what is this? Bling Pup instead of Ring Pop. It was like a dog on it. Like, I don't know if y'all can really see it. Let me bring it up. Y'all see that? Hopefully y'all can see it. Hopefully it's clear enough. But yeah, so these are just like a bunch of like brands that are like wacky.
See, this one we not
My knees. It's giving very much.
Bony. Uncomfortable.
Wow. Outside.
Alright.
They have let's see, okay, so I guess A and B go together right here.
That's the floor.
Yeah.
What's wrong with the freezer?
First. Wait. Alright, yeah, I'm not really a builder, guys, so don't judge me. I haven't built anything ever in my life. Take your time. I like this. Okay, great job.
No. Please stop. No, please. It's not giving. You see the sticker?
It's a little hanging.
Yeah.
It's all right. Yeah, it is definitely. Yeah, it's okay. It's all right.
We're all gonna buy it. Thank you.
Okay, it's trying to come together, y'all. Yes, the entrance is built. Right.
Wait.
Push it.
The handle.
Where?
I think it goes in the front. Like you see the two little. Yeah.
Oh, it is right here. Okay, I see. I like this though, for real. This is actually a really fun experience. Like, it's fun. This is fun because, like I said, I don't be building nothing. So this is like, I feel like an architect, construction worker. Not quite.
We need to build this.
Oh. All 18 of these. Yo, it's so many little tiny pieces. All I ever wanted to do was be a real builder. Do you think you call Bob, Bob, Bob? Stop playing, man. You know that I'm known for the Bob, 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 babe. And I had the nerve to say 12:30. 10 minutes on this. It's literally 1:10, child. We got some crates and carts and things set up. It's a lot of pieces. It's probably like, I would say, at least 150 pieces, if not more, you know? So bear with me.
Right.
Ain't that a Tiana Taylor song? Ain't you bear with me?
Excuse me?
Did you fart?
No.
So you don't need to be excused. Oh my god. This is too much! It's like flimsy. You see how flimsy that is?
Yes.
I don't know if I lined it up right.
You might wanna just hang with it and roll with it. It's not giving. Put the sticker up there too. Alright.
I'm really over here trying to struggle to put this together. I'm proud of myself for still doing this though. I would have gave up. I wanted to give up several times throughout this process. We're definitely like a whole hour plus in, and this is just like, I get a little overwhelmed sometimes. There's a lot going on and I just don't know where to start. Kettle chips. Shit off my shoulder. But yeah, I was hoping that we'd be done by now. But whatever. I'm about to just skip until we get to the very end of the video, and then I'm gonna show you all the rest of the mini brands and stuff like that. Like, we just, like, this process is taking way too long. So we're just gonna jump cut to the finished product of the store.
Right.
Oh! There we go. This is the finished product. I mean, we still got a bunch of stickers that we didn't add on, but we'll get to that later. But the whole store has been finally set up. Let's give them a full 360. We got freezers on deck. We got shelves. We have cashiers with no employees. So if you're looking for a job, we got you. But you do have to be a certain height requirement, you know, for the shorties. Come through. But now we're about to just open these up, these wacky packages, and
toy mini brands.
Yeah, what we got in here?
It's Hungry Jerk, like Hungry Jack, Cheetos, corn chips.
Chimps Ahoy. Sludge sickle.
All right, cause I look dumb. You can't even see the. You can't even see that.
Instead of fudge sickle, sludge sickle.
Bye to myself.
Got you. Wind hex, and it's like a winch on it, putting the hex on the window, you know, like wind hex.
I did not realize how cringy this part of the video was, and y'all can't even see the label. So for the sake of the viewer, I'm just gonna skip to the very end of this video.
Welcome to the mini mart. So, would you like to snip the ribbon and let the people in for the grand opening?
Please come in, come.
Come on, guys, let's go. Oh my God, this is how it look in here. This is so nice. Last time I came here, it used to be a food line.
Not that.
But why is it nobody at y'all registers?
We're now hiring.
Y'all see all these wacky brands? We got Cheepios, we got Hungry Jacks.
Excuse me, sir, that says Hungry Jerk.
Like, I'm here for it.
I don't know. Okay, this was one heck of a project, and I'm so tired.
Yes,
and
very much.
this was such a laborious job, and we got paid nothing for it.
Nothing,
But
nothing.
we got paid attention. Hopefully, you guys enjoyed this video, watched it. Yeah, this is how it turned out. All of those freaking materials
Yes.
translated to just this little store that we might add on to and continue to collect brands, many brands, and might extend our what do I want to call it? Like, yeah, like I want to expand our location. You know, we need to become more global, international around the world. So yeah, y'all tell us what we should do next. If y'all want to see some more videos, we love you guys so much. I hope y'all enjoyed the content, and we'll see you next time. Bye.